They're wearing out my patience, and then they get on my nerves. They do everything to annoy me, and they wanna see me put up with it. I tell them to stop, but they don't. They keep talking and giving orders. It's so easy for me to explode. They've never seen me angry here. Let everything fall to the ground, 'cause I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be strong, like the wind of a hurricane. I'm too big, I know, enough to scare you. You think you're in charge of me, but you've never seen me freak out. Let everything fall to the ground, 'cause I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be strong, like the wind of a hurricane. Let everything fall to the ground, 'cause I'm gonna